Hi everyone, today I will be teaching you what is prompting. Sometimes AI gives brilliant responses and other times it just produces nonsense. The difference often comes down to one thing: how you ask the question. What is prompting? Prompting is simply the way you communicate with an AI. It's the instruction, question, or guidance you provide to get a specific result. Think of AI like a very capable assistant. The clearer and more precise your request, the better the output. One real life example is if you go to a coffee shop and you just walk up to the person and say, "I would like a coffee." You could get anything, but if you say, "I'd like a large oat milk latte, extra hot, no sugar," you'll get exactly what you want. That's the difference prompting makes. Today I'll be telling you different types of prompting. One type is zero-shot prompting. Zero-shot prompting is when you give no examples, just a task. Example: write a motivational quote. The AI figures it out on its own. Few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting is when you provide a few examples first and then you ask the AI to do it, but in its own way. For example, you give the examples, believe in yourself. Small steps lead to big results. Then you would ask it to write another motivational quote. An- Another type of prompting is chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting is when you ask the AI to reason step by step. An example of this is telling the AI, "Solve the problem and explain your reasoning step by step." This improves logic and accuracy. Iterative prompting. Iterative prompting is when you refine your prompt over multiple turns, adjusting based on the AI's responses until you get the results you want. Negative prompting. Negative prompting tells the AI what not to do. Example: write a LinkedIn post about AI. Do not use jargon or emojis. This removes unwanted results. Role-based prompting. Role-based prompting assigns the AI a specific role. Example: act as a career coach and review my resume. The AI responds from that perspective. We're going to create a video series focused on role-based prompt engineering. In this series, we'll select a few specific roles and demonstrate step by step how to craft different types of prompt tailored for each role. Hybrid prompting. Hybrid prompting combines multiple techniques together. Example: act as a market expert, explain step by step, and use this example and avoid technical language. This is how advanced prompts work. What you'll learn is role assessment. Tell the AI who to be targeted for, targeted expertise. Step-by-step reasoning. Improve logic and accuracy with structured thinking. Examples and style guidance. Shape, tone, and format with few short patterns and constraints. Iteration. Refine prompts across to dial in exactly what you need. So, prompting isn't magic, it's a clear communication. In the next videos, I'll walk you through a prompting type step by step with real copy-ready examples for different roles. Follow along and you'll turn AI from a guessing game into a powerful, reliable tool.